one of the fastest rising artists, local artists here in the Philippines. Kasi naman, pag nakita mo yung artwork niya, ang ganda, di ba? Tsaka very appealing to the younger and actually all ages very appealing siya. Anyway, first is we're going to open this. This one is from Capital One, no? We have acquired this from their website, no? I think this is in celebration of their 10th anniversary. So, pakita namin sa inyo. This is the first one. We purchased this tote bag. So, ito, Capital One and Rocky. Capital and Rocky. And celebrating the 10th year anniversary. Tapos si Rocky kasi, ang distinct feature dun sa artwork niya is more on yung blue. Tapos yung outline niya, blue yung ginagamit niya for the outline and yung simple colors and very appealing to the eyes, no? Kumbaga malinis talaga yung artwork niya. Not much details but very appealing, diba? So ito, may tote bag na tayo. Ayan. And we also acquired a shirt. This one, ayan, Capital X Rocky, no? So this is the front, wala palang artwork. Ito yung artwork sa likod. Diba? Ang ganda. Ayan, tapos it comes in two colors, no? I think this is gray and then may isa pa white or black, I forgot. But ito yung shirt niya. Ganda. Tapos may bubuksan pa tayo this one. And this one is a gift from Rocky and Space Encounters Gallery, no? I think he had a recent show sa ito yata yung sa World Trade, no? Ito, ganda. Unan, 'di ba? So buksan natin 'to. Ayan, makita mo from here. Ay, napunit. From here, you can see the Space Encounters Rocky. Ang daming collab nung batang yun, no? So, here's the pillow. Ganda, di ba? So, as you can see, very simple yung color niya. You have the orange, bright orange. You have the blue as yung stroke niya, and then yellow. Ganyan. Ganyan yung color niya. He does well in playing these types of colors. Ang ganda talaga. So, maraming salamat, Space Encounters and Rocky. If you are interested to see more of Rocky's artwork, you can follow his Instagram account. Napakabilis kasi parang last year, ilan lang, 300 something ngayon. Diyos ko, 11K na. I think sabi ko next year, wala. Sobrang taas na ng following siguro to. And if you want to see more of Rocky, you might as well check us out or balikan nyo kami after a year because we're doing something really great. It's for the Philippines as well. Yun lang.